In 2021, a folding phone appears to have just killed off Samsung's long-running success of Galaxy Note, and it may knock off their flagship Galaxy S as well. That's because last month Samsung promised to make foldable phones the mainstream. And at $999, with a fewer compromises than ever, Samsung's new Z Flip 3 sounds dangerously close to a complete replacement for Samsung's Galaxy S21 Plus. For the same price, they have both got 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED screen, the latest Snapdragon 888 processors, the same memory and the storage options, the same water resistance and roughly the same dimensions, just with slightly lighter frame and smaller battery power, and one fewer camera around the back. Also, expect one of these phones folds down to half of its size and other one doesn't. Assuming Samsung's new durability improvement are not just talk and the plastic covered screen doesn't feel weird, we think it might go ahead with the sale very well. Meanwhile, sales of Samsung Galaxy S phones have reportedly plummeted 47% over the past two generations. For everyone else, there is Samsung's increasingly powerful Galaxy A series, which will likely get even more aggressive now that Xiaomi has overtaken Samsung in the Europe market. If it happens, the flagship phone category still starts around $700, not the $1,000 mark that Samsung is asking for the Flip 3. So the company would probably keep around Galaxy S22 FE at a minimum, though the Samsung S21 FE is still pending. Galaxy S is the brand that brought Samsung into the spotlight over the past decade, so there is a value and precedent to transfer the name to a new design. So what do you think? Will Samsung make foldable phones the new normal?